Hello guys, welcome to the next video on MongoDB database tutorial for beginners. In this video we will see how we can perform limit, sort and skip methods on querying your documents. So for example, I have these documents, all the documents are listed here, and for example I just want to limit the number of result up to 3. How do I do it? So the command will be the same as we have used in the last video, db.students.find, and then inside the find we were using projection in the last video, so we will use the same in this video. So first of all, give the empty curly brackets, and in the second curly bracket we will give the name of the field which we want to show. So for example, we want to show the student number, and the attribute it takes is 1, which is going to show it, right? The second element, for example, we want to show is the first name, so we will add first name here, and this also will be 1, so it will show it. And the third element we will give here is the ID, and ID we want to hide, and by default ID will be shown in the query, so we want to hide it, so we will just give 0 here, right? And then we will execute this command and it gives us this result. Now to limit the number of result up to 3 or 4, for example, we used a method called limit. So just call a method called limit and give the maximum number of values we want to fetch. So for example, we want to only fetch 4 values, just give 4 here and then execute this command, and it limits the value up to 4, right? Let me copy this, and now we will see how to sort, or first of all let's see how to skip the data. So for example, we want to show the result except first 2 values, right? So we want to show the result from 3, 4, 5, 6, so we can use the method called .skip for it. So it's going to skip these values, so just write skip and whatever number of value you want to skip. So for example, I want to skip 2 values and show all the other results, then I can do this, and then I will execute my command, and it shows student number 3, 4, 5, 6, and the first 2 it has skipped. Now for example, if we want to use skip and limit together, what we can do? So what we can do is, for example, we want to skip the first 2 result and then we want to show the next 3 result. So we will use first of all skip, so we will skip first 2 results, so just use skip 2, it will skip 2 result, and then we will call limit and it will show the 3 next results. Okay, so execute this command and it gives the 3, 4, 5 result. So first 2 skipped and next 3 are shown here, right? The next command is the sort command. So let's see how we can sort it. So just give the same command, and instead of using limit we use the command called sort here. Okay, so just call a command called sort, and then in the curly brackets we need to give the element which we want to sort. So for example, we want to sort on the basis of the first name, right? We want to sort on the basis of first name, so just give the first name here, and then when you give here 1, so it's going to sort it in ascending order. So let's execute this command, and it gives error to us. I think instead of using comma we must use colon here, and then execute it once again, and it gives us the result in the sorting order of the first name. So you can see the first names which start with C comes first, then D, then K, then M, then S. So it's sorting according to the alphabetical order. Now if you want to sort the name in descending order, we just use -1 instead of 1 here, right? And then execute this command, and now it's sorting in descending order. So S come first, and then M, then K, then D, then C. Okay, so in this way you can use limit, skip and sort methods on your documents in mongoDB. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.